Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. Today I'm going to teach you 10 vocabulary words in British English that might be possibly pronouncing wrong in your daily routine. So without wasting any time, let's get into those words. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. How can you pronounce this word? It is data. Data. Try to repeat after me. Data. How can you pronounce this word? It is privacy. Privacy. Try to repeat after me. How can you pronounce this word? It is advertisement. Advertisement. How can you pronounce this word? It is advertisement. Try to copy the same accent. How can you pronounce this word? It is herb. Herb. How can you pronounce this word? It is laboratory. Laboratory. How to pronounce this word? It's quite easy to pronounce this one. Well, it is tomato. Tomato. How can you pronounce this word? It is neither. Neither. You see how I'm pronouncing this word? Neither. How can you pronounce this word? It's quite tricky, but you can pronounce it like often. Often. How can you pronounce this word? It is vitamin. Vitamin. How can you pronounce this word? It is address. Address. Now, I hope that you learn a lot of new words accent today. The words you might be familiar, but you don't know how to pronounce these words, so you can watch the video again and listen to it properly. Try to practice the accent of these words that we have learned in today's session. If you want a free English consultation, you can follow us on our Instagram, which is mentioned in the description of this video. And to get free downloadable material, you can fill out the form in the description of this video. Show your love and support for Naz Learning Corner. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.